Hello everyone, welcome back to SMC for everyone, session 2. Sorry for the delay in posting this as I was not feeling well. Hope you are enjoying the bull run. Nifty at 24,300 all time high. The markets are in a huge bull run and hope you all have made good profits. So let's dive into our SMC for everyone, session 2. In the last session, we learned about the basics of stock market and we learned about the supply demand zones and we have learned the important concept of liquidity. As I told you earlier, liquidity is the place where major orders lie for the institutions to fill their orders. Suppose there is a breakout where retailers enter, that is a place where the institution can sell a huge quantity of order if they want to exit. Suppose there is a breakdown, retailers will book their SL. There is a place where institutions can fill huge orders as majority of the retailers put their SL there. So that is how they use liquidity to trap the retailers and fill their huge order books. So coming to today's session, we'll learn about the market structure. That is, we have some concepts called breakup structure BOS, and we have CHOCH, CHOCH, that is change of character, and we have SMS, that is shift in market structure. So let's learn in detail what are these concepts. So let's recap what is liquidity. So it is the place where we have huge orders. For example, at the highs and lows and the demand supply zones and the other places where we keep our SL. Suppose we take this silver. So what will happen? Let's say this is a support level, right? So what you will do? Most of the time you will put your SL here. So once you put your SL here, if the price comes down, it will hit your SL and go up. What will happen here? You will exit the trade. This is the place where the institutions will fill their huge order because most of the time 90% retailers will put at this place. This is the common SL for everyone, right? If 100 people trade the stock and the 100 people will put their SL here. Same way, suppose if you take a breakout, suppose you want to enter on the break of this high and it has broken out. What you will do, most of the retailers will try to enter here. But if you see the next candle has came down and if you put your SL here, your SL will be. So what happened here? The institutions bought here and sold here and breakout for the majority of people who trade on the conventional structure like breakout, breakdown, etc. So that these are the liquidity pools. This low is a liquidity pool. If you see here, these highs are liquidity. So once they're taken out, and that way the liquidity is stored. So this is a liquidity zone. So if you go to a higher time frame, okay. So this was the high silver made, and it has given breakout here. And many people would have thought, oh, come on, silver has given breakout, we'll enter. And what happened here? In the next few days, silver has given a fake breakout and came down to this level. So if you have entered silver here, and the institution would have sold their orders here. So what will happen? Suppose you think this is the next demand zone, or if you put your SL here, okay, I'll buy here. This is my SL. So you bought here, it came until here, and your SL is hit. You exited. Then what happened? Again, price went up. So institutions keep trapping the retailers. They break down. If you are shorted here on breakdown, your money would have lost. It again moved up. So these highs and lows where we keep our SL are the liquidity zones, and these demand zones and this supply zones are all liquidity zones. So anytime price will try to grab those, so that those are the places where people will try to put their stop losses or short or enter on a breakout. So those such areas are the majority places where institutions will try to fill their huge orders. So that is a recap of liquidity. So if you see, if suppose you have put a trend line here, so this is a trend line breakdown. Again, if you are shorted here and you have not seen this demand zone, you would have been trapped and again price moved up. And this is a trend line. Earlier this was the trend line. So here price has moved up. If you have entered here on the trend line breakout, again your SL was hit and out. So the trend lines, the highs, lows, the demand supply zones are the places where huge liquidity rise. So we use this liquidity in confluence to enter our orders. So that is what we learned about liquidity, a short recap on that. So let's dive into today's concept, that is market structure. So market structure is nothing but defining trend of the market. So basically what happens, the price goes high, goes low and doesn't make. So when the price is making higher highs and higher lows, as everyone know, that is an uptrend. When the price is making lower highs and lower lows, that is when the structure is in downtrend. So what is break of structure? Suppose the price is moving like this, it has made a new higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So price is moving like this. So when price is moving like this is called a break of structure. Okay. Then we have another break of structure and we have another break. What price does is, in an uptrend, every time it makes a high, then breaks that high and takes support at that high, then again breaks this previous high and makes a new low, and the new low will be somewhere around this high. So that defines the price in upper trend. So what is a break of structure? Whenever a high is broken by the previous low, that is a break of structure. We see here. So this is a break of structure. Then price came low, and again this is a break of structure. Price came low, and this is a break of structure. Same way, the downtrend, the market is making lower high, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So as long as this trend continues, we'll have the break of structure every time. So that is how we confirm that this trend is continuing. So you have entered here, it has broken structure. You'll put your SL in this high. Same way again it has broken. Then you put this LCL in this high. Same way it has broken structure. So that is what we define as BOS. BOS means break of structure. Okay. So hope you understood this simple in your language, in a retail language. Simply the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and each time the high is taken out and making a new low, which is not going below the previous low. So BOS is the break of structure. Then what is CHOCH? So this is what is break of structure. What is CHOCH? Suppose we are breaking structure up, up, up. So when a previous low that has made a new high is broken, that is called CHOCH. Suppose the price is in upper trend. This is a, so here the price is upper trend. We have made a low, new higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So here when the price starts making new, so what happened here? If this one comes like this, what happened here? When this low that has made a higher high, when this low that has made a higher high is broken, then it is called CHOCH. That means the structure is shifting. So it was in an upper trend. Now the price has made a new lower low. It didn't make a higher low. So that is when the CHOCH happens. What we call it CHOCH. So CHOCH can be different. So same way, when the price is in downtrend, now what happens if the price breaks this high and doesn't make a new low, and we goes like, so what happened? The trend is shifted here. That is what we call change of character. So the trend from the downtrend is shifting to a upper trend. That is CHOCH. So whenever the price in a bull structure, when the price breaks the low that has made a new high, that is called a change in character. Same way, when a price is in downtrend and it has broken the lower high and made a new higher high, then we call this as change of character, CHOCH. So this is a uptrend changing of character to downtrend. This is a downtrend changing of character to upper trend. BOS is a continuation of trend when price makes a higher high and in upper trend or lower trend. So suppose we are in a upper trend, it is breaking structure and it is breaking structure every time. That is a break of structure. A CHOCH is when price breaks the previous established pattern. So in the upper trend, you are breaking higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Suddenly when we make a new higher low, breaking the previous higher low, when we make a lower low, breaking the previous higher low, then is the change in trend. So the CHOCH occurs. Okay, you don't get confused. So when the structure is continuing, we make it break of structure. And from an uptrend, if you are shifting to a lower trend, breaking the previous higher low, then we CHOCH occurs. That is change of character to bearishness from bullishness. So a CHOCH is when price breaks the previous established pattern, whether it is bullish or bearish. So what is happening here? First, we have made of change of character. We didn't break this high, and we have broken this low. So now again break of structure starts. So that is a bearish break of structure. This is a bullish break of structure. Same way what happens here, we are in a downtrend. Now what happened? The higher low is taken out by this low. So what happened? The change of character happened again. Now from bearish, we are again entering into bullish. So that is the difference between a break of structure and change of character. Basically, a continuation is break of structure. And when we train the trend to the previous upper trend to lower trend or lower trend to upper trend from bull to bear or bear to bull, the CHOCH occurs. Hope you're clear. If you have any doubts, you can drop in the comments. I can reply you with clear. So what is shift in market structure? SMS. SMS nothing but, so we have learned about CHOCH, right? But before doing a CHOCH, every time the price might not do this. So here we have simply got the breakout. So the chart won't do it the same time. Suppose we are in upper trend. We have made a high, break of structure. Again we made a higher low, again break of structure. So break of structure, and we have made a huge move. Now what happens? Price start doing small higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher, and price comes and then breaks this low. So here it is not CHOCH, because a change of character happens only when a low that has crossed a high. Suppose this low has created this high. Until and unless this low is broken, we won't have a change of character. Okay? So internally, these lows are not valid. So only when this low that has made a new high is broken, then only the change of character will occur. So what is SMS? So here what happened? Price was in a continuous uptrend, but here it started slowly moving like this. Okay, that is when a shift in market structure. So it is giving a prior confirmation, but it's still not pure confirmation. This is just a signal that price is exhausted and it is going to come down, but it's still not in downtrend. So that is when a shift in market structure occurs. So at this such kind of thing, we can take a small scalp trades or something like this for till the demand zone which has created the high. So until and unless we break the low that has created a new high, the CHOCH won't occur. Same way in a bearish structure, we are doing a lower highs, lower structure, breaking structure, breaking structure. We have done a huge move and we started making new higher highs, higher lows. So until and unless this high which created this new low is broken, a CHOCH won't occur. So only when this high that has created this low will change the character to bullish trend. And here we have the shift in market structure. So whenever we start making a new lower highs and higher highs inside this structure, this is called SMS. So this is a bearish shift in market structure. This is a bullish shift in market structure. So when we do the small higher highs, higher lows, or small lower highs, lower lows, the market is showing you signs that I am exhausted, I am ready to shift the structure. But that is not a confirmation. Until and unless this low is broken, it is confirmed. Then only we get confirmed. Sometimes what will happen? It will do this, trap the others, and come here and start going up. So again, we can do a new breakout structure. So until and unless a low that has created a new high is broken, the character of the trend won't change. Same way, until and unless a high that has created a new low is broken, the character of the structure won't shift to bullish. Okay, here also what can happen? You will think that the price has shifted and we are entering into bull run. But what will happen? The price can simply do this, and from here it test this and come down and do a new breakout structure. So we should keep in mind and clearly define what is a change in character. This internal structure won't make it change in character until and unless for a bullish structure, until unless a low that created a new high is broken, it won't change the character. For a bearish structure, until a low that has created a until a high that created a low is broken, it won't change the character. Same way, there might be some structure like this. We are in uptrend. Price has made a new low and it made a equal high and came like this and again moved on. So here we did not break the structure. We just went to the same level. So this won't be a CHOCH. So CHOCH will happen only when you break this low. So until unless this low is broken, this can be considered as SMS. Can be considered as CHOCH. Okay, until a low that has created new high is broken, then only CHOCH will occur. Internally, if you see this shift, you can call it shift in market structure, that is temporary shift. And confirmation will be on CHOCH. And the ultimate confirmation will happen once you are done a CHOCH. Again, the price will come and break the structure here. So this is the ultimate confirmation that trend has changed. This is here it has given signs. Then it has given a minor confirmation, major confirmation after you break this low. Yes, it is a confirmation that trend has completely shifted to down. Here it started changing character. This is giving signs. Okay, that is about market structure. We learned about breakout structure, that is BOS, and we learned about cost, that is change of character, and we have SMS, that is shift in market structure. So let's see in the chart. So let's see on the chart about structure and all. So the price has been moving here. So this is a, suppose let's see the trend started here. So this is a breakout structure, and this is a breakout structure, and this is a breakout structure. So what happened? We made a higher high, made a low, higher low. Again we made a higher high, made a higher low. But here it did not break. We came to here. Again we made a new high, and again we made a higher low, and we made a higher high. Okay, so this is breakout structure. So US breakout structure. We are breaking structure. Now what happened here? We have broken this high, but it didn't sustain. So this is a trap where everybody would have put their entries here to enter on the breakout. It break down and the liquidity was grabbed. And what did this institution do? They sold everything. So once people who are entered in the breakout, everybody's SL is taken and liquidity is grabbed. So what happened here? We have broken this structure to the downside. We didn't continue, but this is a valid breakout structure because we are in upper trend. When was this high created? This high was created by this low. So until and we break this low, the change of character won't happen. So they have taken this SL for everybody here. Suppose they have done everybody's SL is taken. Now we have a SMS here. So what happened? We are seeing some reversal signs. We have a shift in market structure. And when will the confirmation come? Only when this low is broken, price comes here and makes a high and comes like this. Then only we'll have a watch. For now, the trend is intact. It's just a showing shift in market structure. Even SMC people who learn new, who don't read this concept, they might think that the market has shifted down here, will short. And they would have made few money because this is internal shorts, 15 minutes. Intraday, they would have made money. But coming to by our definition, this is just a shift in market structure because this low was not broken. So again, price was continuing the trend. So again, it made a new low here, made a high. We have a SMS and we have a CHOCH in the lower time frame. But actually what happened? This move which created the actual high move, and this was a trap for the SMC or the retailers, everybody. So we are continuing the trend. So this is all internal structure. Until this low is broken, my structure, my character has not changed to bearish. Okay, let's go to higher time frame. So let's take it from here. Yeah. So if you see, the price has made a new high, higher low, higher 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 high. Still, the structure is not broken. Here we had a SMS. Again, we made a new higher high. Again, we made a high. So if you see here, we are having this is a break of structure. 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 So price made a high, and we might get confused that this is a new low that has broken, and you want to enter shorts. But still, this low is not broken until and unless this broke is broken. The uptrend is not shifted to downtrend. Again, what happened here? It made a lower high. So you think, okay, this low is broken. I'll short. But what happened? Again, it came down, took support here. Again, it made a new high. But this high is not yet broken. So what is happening? Price is trading within this range. We call this internal liquidity. The liquidity present inside the range. On a higher time frame, we didn't change character. So, but we got a shift in character here. So we got a shift in market structure here. Market is showing signs of reversal. So whenever this low is broken here, still what happened? Even SMC was trapped here. So we'll think there is a break of structure and every retail will short here. But SMC shorts will happen when this is just a confirmation of CHOCH. So here we have a CHOCH happened. So again after CHOCH, price made a new low, breaking this low, it came up and did this. So here we get the confirmation the character has changed and it didn't break this high, right? This high is protected and we had a break of structure here. What happened? The trend was an uptrend, has shifted to break of structure. Here the character shifted, that is it. Here we saw the signs, that is SMS. So this entire range is shift in market structure. We saw that price is trying to, but this is just actually within the bull run. So this high is retested, again it came up, it tried to make a new high, and here we had a shift in market structure. Then we had a CHOCH and break in structure, and it retested this low. In SMC, what we do, once we get the confirmation of CHOCH and break of structure, we mark this, and we'll short here. So once price is shorted, you enter the downtrend, and you have a huge potential or returns. So what happened? Price came down from 100 to 115, and it again took support from where the structure started becoming bullish. So we'll learn about the order blocks, so that are the zones where price reverses in the order blocks. You'll know in the future sessions. So same way, now we'll see how price shifted to the uptrend. So there is a continuation. So this was a break of structure. This was a break of structure, and it stopped here. It stopped making new lows. So what happened here? We have a SMS. So here SMS happened again. So once shifted market structure, unless this high is broken, we are not entered the change of character. So we are making new highs. Internally we are breaking the structure, but the major structure or CHOCH happens here. This is where the CHOCH happened. So here the change of character happened. Again the price came to retest this demand zone, and here we have a successful break of structure. So now the price has turned from the downtrend to uptrend. So this was all the uptrend, and we entered the downtrend here. So we have the SMS, break of structure, we have the CHOCH here, and we had the SMS here. SMS, CHOCH, break of structure, retest, came down here. Again we had a shift here. Shift in market structure happened. We had a CHOCH, and we entered the uptrend. Now price will try to reach the supply levels. So this is all liquidity pending now. So what happened? All this lower liquidity is cleared. Now we have the upside pending liquidity at the highs. So this is a liquidity zone. This is a liquidity zone. This is the liquidity. So this liquidity is taken. What will happen? Now price will try to take all this liquidity, slowly moving up and complete its journey. Here at this zone, again price might absorb the supply and break out and continue the trend, or it might be first SMS, then CHOCH, break of structure, and come back. So this can be the future. So it can. So we are breaking structures here, and at the supply zones, it again can shift SMS. Then once this low is broken, we have the CHOCH. This low is broken, we have a shift in structure, and price will come down again. So that is the general cycle of markets. So trend will continue breaking structure upwards. Then we'll have SMS, change of character, and break of structure downwards. Again, when the downtrend is over, again we'll see shift in market structure, minor signs. Then we'll have a change in character and break of structure. So that is about market structure. If you have any doubts, drop your comments. I'll try to clarify them. So try to open a chat and try to mark these zones. And you can message me on Instagram at Karmanfin. You can DM me directly. So my Instagram handle is at Karmanfin. For any doubt clarification, you can DM me or leave your comment in YouTube. So thank you for attending this session. Hope you have learned something new. That's it from Karmanfin for today. So before you leave, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this session. So please like, subscribe, and share our channel to your friends. And keep following us on Instagram at Karmanfin and YouTube at Karmanfin for more such content. Thank you.